This is the College of Education and Professional Studies Tech Cafe sponsored by Jacksonville State University. My name is Alli Ware and I'm here to introduce you to an online platform that will drastically change the use of technology in your classroom and make it much easier. So over the course of the past few months, I've noticed that younger students struggle to type in proper web addresses and don't click the appropriate websites. So overall, students just struggle in navigating the internet. Even in older grades, getting every student on the same page is a a big struggle. And I've even heard some teachers say that this takes so much time that they just prefer to give their students a worksheet, even though this isn't the most beneficial thing for our students. Um, so I would like to propose a solution, which is Symboloo. Symboloo is an online platform that allows teachers to use technology in their classroom more effectively and efficiently. And as teachers, we always want to know how much it costs because we don't want to pay for a membership. Symboloo Pro Sponsored is completely free to educators. It only has slightly restricted activities, and the biggest difference between the Symboloo Pro Sponsored and the yearly subscription is the use of advertisements, which really aren't that big of a distraction and they're school appropriate, so it's not a big deal. But if you did want to buy Symboloo Pro for teachers, it is $49 a year, and this includes an ad-free personal workspace. Symboloo Pro for schools is $4.99 a year and provides one school platform and 12 teacher workspaces. If you're wondering, how have I not heard about this? This sounds like a great program to be using. Well, I have no idea because over the past 10 years, Symboloo has accumulated 11 million users. So this is being used in multiple classrooms. So what is Symboloo? Symboloo is an online bookmark manager that organizes your favorite websites. With Symboloo, bookmarks can be easily accessed anywhere and effortlessly shared with anyone. So this QR code is a getting started QR code. It links you to the symboloo.com website for you to get started and create your own account. But first, you have to create a Symboloo account. The free account works best for me, so I just put create a free Symboloo account. Then you'll start making a web mix, which we will get into in a second, but you'll create your own personalized web mix for either yourself or your classroom. And then you'll share your web mix with anyone and everyone, including your students and even parents. So this is a web mix, and you'll notice the student-friendly tiles on this web mix. The pictures allow, visual representations of, what students need to click on, and you can easily tell students what to click on. The gray box in the middle is a safe search area, which means students can't accidentally click on, bad websites or anything like that. So how to share Symboloo. Symboloo can be shared publicly in the webmix gallery, which allows everyone to view your webmix. Symboloo webmixes can also be shared privately to your students in your classroom. This is as easy as copying a link and sharing it with students on any platform that you want to, and they'll be able to access it. So what does Symboloo look like in the classroom? Sharing classroom websites with students and parents is a great way to encourage communication between you and your parents. Customizing lesson plans. This is a great way to make lesson plans a little less stressful. So this is a great feature for this app. You can create your own personal and engaging learning environment. For your students, this is going to be a big step from a worksheet because you don't want to revert to using worksheets just because the use of technology is more difficult in younger classrooms. That's not, what's most beneficial for our students, so we want to try to engage students in learning and have them actively participate especially using technology. Number 4, you can use Symboloo in the library, or you can use it for professional development websites for educators. And the last one, you can create a school dashboard. This is how I've seen Symboloo used, and I'll say it's a very effective way to use Symboloo. Right, so the neat features used by Symboloo, offered by Symboloo. YouTube links. If you play a YouTube video, sometimes the next video will autoplay and it may not be a school appropriate video. So Symboloo prevents the autoplay from taking place. This also offers real-time collaboration. So any changes made to a web mix are instantly seen, instantly updated, and allows teachers to immediately collaborate with other teachers, students, and parents. So you can collaborate in your classroom with anyone. Content restrictions. As I was talking about, Symboloo provides a safe search that restricts questionable web searches because we want to keep our kids safe and not, allow them to click on any inappropriate websites, even unknowingly. But wait, guys, it gets better. This app can be linked to the Clever app, which will allow a single sign-on for all connected apps. You'll never spend time typing in passwords again. This is how I've seen Symboloo used in the classroom. The school sets up a school-wide dashboard with tiles for each grade level that is linked to its own personal web mix for the grade level. Well, when students open their computers and sign in using Clever, every app that pulls up through Symboloo automatically has their password in it. So they don't have to type in their password to any apps being used. And this is a great time saver and a great classroom management tool. Alright, so for more information and training on Symboloo, this is a QR code. If you want to scan this real quick, it will take you to their YouTube page where they provide information and videos about the online app. And this is a great resource if you decide to use Symboloo. It'll walk you through step by step how to use it. Right, and this is the Symboloo handout, which is just a simple reminder of, the benefits of Symboloo and how it can be used to benefit the classroom. And lastly, these are the sources. Most of the sources came from Symboloo.com, the official website. So thank you so much for listening. I hope that this app really helps you in your classroom, and I hope you try it out.